Hello guys, welcome back to LANapp. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix publishing error on Printify. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're having problems with your Printify account here and you have a product here that is not publishing and it has a publishing error here, so there are a few things that you can try here to probably solve this issue. So first things first is you need to make sure that your product has all the complete details for it. So you can go and click on the status here, just click on publishing error. And from here, what we need to do is you need to make sure details are complete. Now, you could go ahead and change the title here, make sure it's actually accurately describes your product. You could go ahead and start adding the tags here, personalization, even update the shipping profile here. So if you didn't have like any shipping profile yet, you want to go ahead and update those permissions and your shipping profile. But in this case, once you've done that, you could go and click on try publishing it again and see if that solves your issue. Now, basically just make sure that all information are correct and up to date. Now, another thing that you could do here is to basically duplicate your product. Now, sometimes duplicating the product and publishing it can solve the issue, but not for all users. Now, as you can see, whenever we open up the publishing issue error here, it's going to say we couldn't publish this product. Please try again or get in touch with support if the issue reoccurs. Now, if you've done any of the options I've told you before, you could go and reach out to support for this one. So usually at the bottom left of your screen, we have the chat option. So you could go and click on it. It should open up the assistant here or the bot for that, which is Richi. So in this case, you go ahead and just type the message here that you need assistance on fixing the problem on the product here that has publishing error. So you can even ask the bot here to connect to a customer representative to fix this issue. But yeah, so you just need to reach out to their customer representative and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANapp. Thank you for watching.